Good morning, guys. This is now my second day to Sokograd from Belgrade. I've started quite early today, although it's sunny already, because yesterday was so freaking hot. It went up to about 38.5 degrees Celsius. That was quite a lot. I was trying to gain some distance. I managed to do 50 kilometers yesterday. I left the hostel just after 12, so you can imagine how hot that is. I have no complaint about Serbia so far. I mean, the roads in general, pretty amazing. The only suggestion that I would have is perhaps they could have added a bit of a shoulder lane here for smaller vehicles or for motorbikes or bicycles like myself. Another thing that I noticed here in Serbia since coming here is the amount of space they have on their properties. It's like not only they have a big lot, they also tend to have big houses with extensions for their garage. The designs of the houses are all pretty impressive. As you can see, there's so much space right there. That's a big house and like two little extensions. And this one here, very good. Very communal, I noticed. It's like a big lot and it's all enclosed by a fence. And then within that, there's a few houses. I like the way they set that up because at least people could sort of, socialize a little bit closer rather than being too far apart. They all have big garages or workshops where they could fix things like cars and trucks. So it's really nice to see. Still rural, but modern in a lot of ways. Beautiful house, look at that. This countryside looks very much like England. See the buildings there? The fields, the rolling hills, and those little cottages, and the road. The cottages even have chimneys. Amazing! I can imagine England 80 years ago probably looked like this village. The designs of the houses and the simple... Ooh, look at that barn. The way the cottages have been designed, really old house. I guess that's their house back in the days. But obviously it's now been modernized. Obviously in England there's still those really old cottages in the countryside, like in Hampshire, Wiltshire, all over the country. I felt like I'm sort of peering back in time, just being out here. I can imagine this is how English people back in the days sort of lived. You know, lots of spaces as well. It's really nice to see because now is June. Nearly mid-June, and obviously June, July are summer months in the UK. For what I've heard, it's raining a lot. Nothing unusual about that, to be honest. But here in Serbia, it feels like England, but summertime England. Morning. Looks like there was a tornado that went past these properties. Completely ruined. Wow. Even though it's ruined though, I really find beauty, weirdly enough. The road started to creep up now. So it's midday now, and it's just about to rain, I think. So what I'll do is find a place to eat, and hopefully I could park my bicycle with some shades. It's raining, but it's very sunny. This feels like Asia. Very green. I'm literally in the middle of Serbia, surrounded by mountains. What I like about this road though, from Valjevo into Bodapa, I can't pronounce it. Anyway, the climbing site I'm going to, what I like about this particular road is even though it's going through mountains, big hills, passes, the road seems to be quite stable, like flat. And yeah, there's not a lot of up and down, which I really like. Fingers crossed it doesn't get worse. So I found this spot, very nice restaurant. It's not open at the moment, but what I like about it is that it has seats and tables right there by the river, and the river looks very clean. It's 4:15 now, so I guess there's really not much point of cycling further, so I guess I could just like set up camp here. What I'll probably do is just move things a little bit and then set camp here. Yeah, that'd be nice to have a dip. It's a little bit of mosquitoes going on. Usually mosquitoes survive in stagnant water, but this is free flowing, so I guess they just lived here by the bushes. Now the only thing though is my trailer has to stay up there somewhere, and then I'll just park my bicycle there. Sounds like a plan.